back to my channel. So where is your girl traveling today? Well, I am in Kashi urf Banaras urf globally known as Varanasi. It is the spiritual capital of India and is considered to be a very sacred place according to Hindu mythology. It is believed that this is the place where Lord Shiva lived with his better half goddess Parvati, and not only Lord Shiva, every other god used to live here. उनके ही according यहाँ पे बहुत सारे temples हैं. More than 2,000 temples are there in Varanasi. The city is as old and it dates back to I guess 11th century or maybe 12th century. It's 11th. बस अपने facts check कर लेना. I am here with my family, with my father and mother, and I'll be exploring this place. And first thing that we are going to do is visit Kashi Vishwanath temple. So yes, let's explore the city. Let's see what the city has for us, and I'll show you all around. Quick room tour. That's my room. This is where we are staying. It's Hotel Castillo. That's a TV which we'll probably don't watch, or maybe my father does for some new stuff and all. And that's my mom and dad. Since it's Shivratri, mom is making some salad kind of stuff. Not making, but yeah, just cutting the apples. And that's my dad. And I'm going to show you the view, which is pretty normal actually. So this is how the room looks, and my dad is talking to his friend in the background. So I'm going to show you the washroom as well. That's your girl. And well, that's the washroom area. So it is how it is. We are heading towards Kashi Vishwanath temple, and we have taken this e-rickshaw because the best transportation mode here in Varanasi is either an auto, private auto, or e-rickshaw, which is easily available and accessible at anywhere in the city. So apparently we are not allowed to take any electronic items with us inside the temple. मंदिर के प्रांगण में भी allowed नहीं है. So we'll be submitting. I'll be submitting my all the camera gadgets and everything here at one shop. Let's see कि अंदर कैसा होता है, and probably I'll tell you the experience. Not really will be able to show you how it looks. Every shop near the temple has such kinds of lockers where you can keep your stuff for free. Yeah, he'll just say momos, and then he is having pan right now, famous Banarasi pan. So he's not speaking anything, but he's like, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा हुआ. What about you, Mama? हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लगा. So finally we are done with Kashi Vishwanath temple, and now we are heading to Kal Bhairav ka mandir, which is quite famous too, and it's a must if you're visiting Kashi Vishwanath. You should visit Kal Bhairav as well. So let's see कि वहाँ की vibe कैसी होती है. Tired and hungry now. We are searching for a lassi shop, which we actually saw while going to Kal Bhairav Mandir on our way. So we are searching for that shop, and probably we'll stop there and have lassi. This is really good and कर्ड का जो टेस्ट है वो काफ़ी अच्छा आ रहा है, मीठा आ रहा है. So yes, thumbs up to this lassi and also we haven't had anything since morning. So yes, this open our hearts anyhow. Second lassi and because I'm very hungry and this is really very tasty. Also I love curd. So yes, and this lassi is of 30 rupees. So we are having like, we had 3 lassis that is 90 rupees and one more that is 120 rupees in total. Walking towards Dashwashmedh Ghat so that we don't miss the Ganga Aarti. However, we are super late. It starts at 6 and it's already, I guess, yeah, it's 5:59. So we will completely miss it. It is on time. The Aarti has not yet been started. So behind me everybody is getting prepared and we are actually thinking to go and sit on a boat and watch the Aarti from there. Varanasi. Good morning you all. We are at Kedar Ghat heading towards the ghat actually. अभी ऑटो जस्ट हमें मेन गली में छोड़ के गया है. यहाँ से हम सारे घाटों पे बोट राइड करेंगे और इस वक्त हम बनारस की गलियों से निकल रहे हैं एंड इट फील्स सरियल. काफ़ी काम है इस वक्त ये सिटी बिकॉज आने वाले 2 घंटे में इट विल बी वेरी क्राउडेड एंड वेरी क्योटिक एंड सो मच नॉइज. केदार घाट से वॉक करते करते वी केम टू चौकी घाट. हेयर इन चौकी घाट वी गॉट अ बोट राइड, अ प्राइवेट बोट राइड इन 700 रुपीज जिसमें सिर्फ हम 3 लोग रहेंगे एंड इट विल टेक अराउंड 1 to 1.5 hours टू शो अस ऑल द घाट्स. सो ये आई एम एक्साइटेड. अभी हमारा जो नाव चलाने वाला है ही वेंट टू टेक द लाइफ बोट्स एंड सॉरी द लाइफ जैकेट्स एंड देन वी लीव फ्रॉम हियर.
During the boat ride, you will witness around 40 to 50 ghats of Kashi, and there is one ghat in particular that I would like to talk about, the Manikarnika Ghat. At this ghat, death is celebrated. It is believed that thousands of years ago, Lord Vishnu here at Manikarnika Ghat prayed to Lord Shiva, asking that the holy city of Kashi must not be destroyed even when the world ends. The ghat is also known as the gateway to heaven. Around 200 to 300 dead bodies are cremated here every day, and any departed soul that gets its last rite performed here at this place attains moksha, that is salvation, a complete liberation from the cycle of birth and death.
We are stopping here at Dashashwamedh Ghat, opposite of actually Dashashwamedh Ghat, which is also a Snan Ghat place. People are actually bathing here in holy river Ganga, and we stopped here to have some tea and coffee. Apparently coffee is in there, so I'll be having cold drink. I don't know why, but yeah, kuch पेट में डालना है, since we got up early in the morning and got ready and came to Kedar Ghat for a boat ride. So we didn't had anything, any breakfast or anything. So now we are waiting for our tea, and it's basically chai time. चाय कैसी है?
Varanasi is a spiritual city where people go to pray, wash away their sins, and honor their death on the banks of river Ganga. As your boat floats along the river, you will be revealed to sights which will remain with you for lifelong.